is for aunt. A is for aunt. B is for bat. B is for bat. C is for camel. C is for camel. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for hedgehog. H is for hedgehog. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for moose. M is for moose. N is for nutmeg. N is for nutmeg. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. S is for snail. S is for snail. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for Viconia. V is for Viconia. W is for whale. W is for whale. X is for ziphis. X is for ziphis. Y is for york. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.